Can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. What is the value of x given that 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 equals 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to the power of x? You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, the key to answer this question is recall this identity. If we have a raised to b raised to c, it is equivalent to a raised to the power of b raised to c. That means that we will do the exponent from top down to bottom. Now, let's focus on the expression on the left-hand side. Now, let's focus on this 2 raised to 2. Again, we will do this exponent from top down to bottom. So 2 raised to 2 is just 4. So we have 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to the 4th power. And then let's continue. Let's have this 2 raised to the 4th power. This is just 2 raised to the 4th power is simply 16. Now let's do 2 raised to 16. This is a big number, a large number. So let's stay at 2 raised to 16. So this is just 2 raised to 2 raised to 16. Now at this point, let's focus on the right-hand side of this equation. Again, we will do the exponent from top down to bottom. So let's have this 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is just 4. And now let's have 2 raised to the 4th power, and we know 2 raised to the 4th power is just 16. Now at this point, let's recall some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to the power of m, it is equivalent to b raised to n times m. Therefore, the right-hand side of our equation can be written as 2 raised to 16 times x. Now, we have two expressions that is equal and we have the same base. Therefore, their exponent must be equal. So we can say that 2 raised to 16 equals 16 times x. Now, to solve for the value of x, let's divide both sides by 16. Now, take note that this 16 is just 2 raised to the 4th power. And again, let's recall some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to n over b raised to m, it is equivalent to b raised to n minus m. Therefore, the left-hand side of our equation is simply equivalent to 2 raised to 16 minus 4. And 16 minus 4 is just 12. And this is the value of x. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the value of x in this equation, and our answer is just 2 raised to 12. And as always, we are done.